Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Scylla's Stuffin' Things. I know it's been a little while, but today I went to Trader Joe's and I had to bring you guys along because I am not a huge Trader Joe's person, but I am having a fall party this week and I needed some things that you can only get there. And if you guys know Trader Joe's, they have the best of the best selection and their prices are like unbeatable. So come along and let me show you what I got. So I am just your basic Publix grocery shopping gal, but it's kind of fun to see like the different pumpkin spice theme everything. So if you're a pumpkin spice girl, head over to Trader Joe's because you will find something for everyone there. So let's check out our fall party spread we have here. Pumpkin spice hummus. But then for my regular peeps, I just got like a roasted garlic hummus. We have some super cute little fall leaf tortilla chips. I had to have those. As well as this hand twisted cinnamon sugar bread. So I am putting out a little charcuterie type snack tray, and I thought these things would be perfect. You gotta have your pumpkin seeds. Like how fun, right? And then dried fruit is always a fan favorite. So I've got some apples, I got apricots. I also got these dark chocolate orange slices. So let me know if you've ever tried these. I have not, but I've heard really good things about them. I love all the fun colors they have. I've got some cauliflower, I have some carrots. You can't find those everywhere. I also picked up some cute gourds to put on the table. I think this is going to be so cute to garnish the table with. And chocolate hazelnut cookies. I mean, can you even? We also have an apple cider fruit spread. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I'm going to look up some recipes because Pinterest is a great option to get those ideas from. So this is for a Prosecco raspberry punch, and then we're also going to have a hot whiskey cider, which is so fun for the holidays. So make sure you come back and check out those recipes. So you'll notice I have some decor, which I'm sure I'm going to pick up a few other items. So make sure you're following me on all my social medias, so that way I can give you a full rundown and let you see exactly how I decorate. Thanks so much for hopping on. Thanks for hanging out, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. As well as a hot apple cider. What'd I say? Hot whiskey cider. This is for a fruit punch. Nope, it's not for a fruit punch. You gotta come back to get those recipes for those cool drinks.